So you guys, we had our one Trade Away Mastermind this past weekend. If you weren't there, don't worry about it. We're going to be having these more often. I'm going to be running these, a couple times a week, fit it into the schedule. All right. That way I can take care of you. Okay. I told you guys from day one that I was going to do something really big. And what I want to do now is I want to make sure that for those of you who have been sitting on the sidelines and you've been believing what people may have been saying and you're still in the same place from 5-10 years ago, come on over here. I'm going to show you exactly what it is you've been missing and why you're still losing, okay? Because it's really about mindset. A lot of you guys are focusing on one thing, and that's getting money. But listen, the money's going to come. You have to develop a system, okay? And when you develop a system and you plug into it, now it's running just like clockwork, okay? Just like clockwork. You already know as soon as you do this, the next thing's going to happen. And that domino effect is going to happen. So every time you go into the market, you look for the same thing, follow the discipline. You will realize the same results, all right? So if you didn't catch this opportunity this past weekend, I want you guys to stay closely connected with me because I'm going to be dropping more details on when the next one and the next one and the next one is going to be, all right? I'll see you guys real soon.